Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to talk about Azure QnA Maker. What is QnA Maker? Before we continue, please remember to subscribe to the channel, share the videos and like the videos, and also please invite more people to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so as you can see in the Azure documentation, Azure QnA Maker is a cloud-based natural language processing service that allows you to create a natural conversational layer over your data. It is used to find the most appropriate answer for any input from your custom knowledge base of information. What does that mean? Okay, it means that you can have like a knowledge base. Let's think, for example, something like a Stack Overflow, right? Some wiki with questions and answers, right? Things like that, right? Uh, a box system where you have issues and the problem solved, right? How you solve it. Uh, that kind of knowledge bases that are like a question with answer, you can use it, and it's a good example of how you will be able to use QnA Maker. Uh, let's say, for example, I have a system that the users do not really know how to use it, right? And or they have an issue. So one of the things that you can do is implement the knowledge base with some predefined questions and their answers, right? And then implement a bot, right? That will be displayed in your website where the users will be able to type some text. The text will be processed and the bot will generate an answer from your knowledge base, right? You can do all that with Azure QnA Maker and the Azure Bot Service. They are um, actually integrated and easily combined. So let's see an example of that. In this website, you see that I have, for example, this page, right? And if I load this um, helper or the support pop-up, it presents me with text field in the upper section, and where all the answers will be displayed, and a place where I can type my message, right? So let's say that I don't know how to sign up in the system or how to create an account. How do I create an account? So it will return some answer, and it says, okay, you click on the sign up, sign in link. You'll be presented with a form to log in. Use the sign up now link below the sign in button and follow the instructions, right? Let's say that you want to learn how to monetize. How to monetize my videos. So it says that in the first phase of this project, users will be able to monetize through external means, right? And there is more text in there. There is a current issue that we have in the system that is a 404 error, right? So it says this error indicates that the resource was not found. Please try to reload the page if that appears, right? Okay, so how all of this information was displayed, or where do we get it? Azure QnA Maker allows you to create a mapping of questions and answers. So you have here, this is the manual manual additions that we have done, right? And here we have a couple of questions, right? How can I monetize? How do I make money? How do I get paid? How can I? You can keep adding alternate phrasings, right? And the answer that you want to show up in that scenario, right? And you can keep adding more. So This is the answer for these two. This is the answer for these two. How can I contribute, for example? If I put how can I, which is in both, it will return this and this, right? How can I find? You can find how to contribute in the systems repository, right? The platform is a 100% open source project, right? How do I? So it will try to find the best match for the text you input, right? Based on the questions that you have here, and it will show the answer. Otherwise, it will just fall back to the default text or the one you set. So that's Azure QnA Maker. As you can see, it is really helpful to have a support bot in your application, and you can use it for free. Please remember, share the channel, share the videos, and invite more people to subscribe too. Thank you very much and have a great day.